Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how I make a spaghetti squash in the crock pot. So it's super easy. I love vegetables, and now that squashes are coming into season, at least they are here in North Carolina, I picked up a spaghetti squash because I absolutely love to eat it with a little bit of butter and some Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, parsley. Oh, it's delicious. So here we are. We're gonna get it going today. So first, in my crock pot, you wanna plug it up, you wanna set it to high. It's always good to set your crock pot to high, even if you need to turn it down to low to cook whatever it is you're cooking, because it brings it up to temperature faster. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna add a bit of water just to cover the bottom and then some salt. So I worked today at the salon, and I actually shared a short with you guys this morning about being thankful. It's something that I recently started doing. Like I said, when I wake up in the morning, I say something that I'm thankful for, and then I figure out why I'm thankful for that. Of course, I'm always thankful for things like my family, my friends, our home, things like that. I'm always thankful for those things, but sometimes, you need to dig a little deeper, and that's what I've been trying to do. Dig a little deeper. And then every day when I wake up, I try to think of something new that I'm thankful for. All right, so now we have a knife. I guess you could use a fork, but a knife is a little easier for me. Okay, so I'm gonna just pretty much stab the spaghetti squash with my knife. Hey, this might be a good way to relieve some stress. Just be careful, watch your hands. But you want to insert the knife like all the way around the spaghetti squash. This way, when you put it in the water, it like steams it, because that's what's going to happen here in the crock pot. So I would say, if I had to guess, I'd probably put, I don't know, a good dozen or so. And I'm just going around now to make sure that I got it on all angles. That's it. You take it, you place it in the crock pot, you put the lid on it. Make sure the little hole, I guess it doesn't matter, but if you put this under the counter, make sure the little hole is like facing away from the counter so the steam doesn't go up under the counter. That's it. We're going to cook this on high. Let's see, mine reads 4 hours on high, 6 hours on high, 8 hours on low, 10 hours on low. So I'm going to set it for 6 hours on high. I'm going to let it do its thing. So I probably won't get to eat it until tomorrow, essentially, but what you're going to do is, after it's done, it's going to be really soft. So very carefully, don't burn yourself. We're going to remove it from the crock pot, cut it in half with a knife, and then take a fork and scrape all of the spaghetti squash out into a bowl. And then at that point, I'm going to add my butter and my salt, my pepper, my parsley, and some Parm cheese. And I'm gonna mix it all up really good. You can eat it at that point, or you can pop it in the fridge. So what are some of your favorite recipes? You guys know that I'm not eating gluten and I don't eat meat. And the reason that I'm not eating gluten is because I do not have celiacs. I just have a gluten intolerance. But it turns out, not only was the gluten like messing up my guts, that I didn't realize until I stopped eating it, it also helped alleviate the migraines that I get. So I was getting migraines every day, and then by removing gluten from my diet, they went from every day to a couple a month. Now that was big. Now migraines are still tough 2-3 times a month, but it's so much better than every day. So I don't love taking all different types of medications and stuff, but of course, if I get a migraine, I have to take my migraine meds, and I take that Nurtec OTC. It's what works for me. I've tried so many different things, and that works for me. I don't take it daily, only when I need it. All right, all that being said, this is why I'm making spaghetti squash, because I eat tons of veggies. And I'm super excited that we're getting into like fall and squashes and things are coming out. And that makes me happy. So you know what? I always say, find the little things that make you happy. Doing things like this, as simple as this task was, this made me happy, because I know I'm going to have something that I enjoy eating you know, later on tonight and for the next couple of days. And that does make me happy. You know, cooking something delicious, baking something delicious, it makes me happy. It makes me happy because I like it, but then when my family likes it, it makes me happy because I've done something that they appreciate. So find the little things in life that make you happy, whether it's, you know, going for walks, taking pictures, cooking, whatever it is, writing poetry, do it. Do it, and do it for you. Do it for you. You're worth it, okay? So thanks for being here with me. And I'll take a picture of this after it's done, after it's all cooked and everything. And I'll add it to the end of the video. If you guys have enjoyed this, please like and subscribe and all the things. I would appreciate it. Trying to share, you know, a little bit more of myself in my videos, and I believe I did that today. I achieved my goal. Did you achieve your goal today? What was your goal? Have a great day, friends. Mwah.